Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Shahril IQMAL from SE19. My metric number is BG22110312. I want to talk about what is waiting line system and also about my understanding and about outlet that I choose. A waiting line system is a concept used in operations management and queuing theory to analyze and model the flow of entities like customer, tasks, data, and so on through a system where they wait in line for service. Waiting line systems are common in various industries and scenarios such as retail, healthcare, telecommunication, and customer service. Based on the place I researched, which is at KFC Labuan City on 29 November 2023, it's like 40 kilometers from our campus. I and my friend AFFIQ arrived at KFC at 1:37 PM and the time we ordered was at 1:47 PM and there was no one in line in front of us when we were about to order at the counter. The time that our food and drinks were ready was also short. Therefore, there are no problems encountered when queuing to order because everything goes smoothly and quickly at KFC Labuan City. That's all from me, thank you.
Hello, my name is IRHAM bin ABDUL. My metric number is BG22110114. I am from HE19. Today, I am going to present about waiting line system and also about my understanding and how it was towards the outlet. A waiting line system is also known as a queue management system. It's a set of processes and tools designed to manage the flow of customers in a restaurant, from the moment they arrive until they are seated and served. For example, waiting line in a fast food restaurant where people queue to put in their orders. Among the benefits of waiting line system is reduced waiting times, improve operational efficiency, and provides valuable data. I went to KFC with one of my group members, SHAHRIL, to observe the line of customers set up for this particular shop. We selected KFC based on our research of the most well-liked fast food restaurant. As a result, KFC customers waiting queue system has to be excellent. My studies shows that KFC has the highest amount of customer arrivals but the lowest rate of service. KFC holds the shortest wait time per customer while sustaining the largest number of customers in queue. By implementing a well-designed waiting line system, restaurants can create a smoother and more positive experience for their customers, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is OLVEN AZEL Samuel and my matrix number are BG22110394. Today I'm going to talk what I've learned from this project. Waiting line system provide a better insight into employee scheduling, staff allocation, and understanding of customer needs and wants, which can improve work efficiency and customer satisfaction. While a waiting line system can also lead to improved employee efficiency, happier customer, and streamlined communication, ultimately benefiting the customer, employee, and the business as a whole. Next, I move on to the major finding. The outlet that I choose is a Burger King in Surya Sabah. During my arrival at the outlet, there were 16 customers in the outlet, and there were 4 people in the queue in front of me. And after I placed my order, it's only take 5 minutes for me to get my order. Reminder, there are only one cashier, and I found that the server only take 1 minute to serve 5 customers in the queue, including me. This shows how efficient the waiting line system in this outlet are. Next is challenges. The challenge that we face as a team is lack of communication during this survey. We divide into 3 teams to do the survey, and after finish the survey, we found that 2 of us, including my team, went to same type of outlet concept, which is fast food restaurant, while the other team went into a different type of outlet concept, which is a quick service restaurant. This cause one team need to resurvey in order to have the same concept of outlets. That's all from me. Thank you.
From the project, I have learned about the characteristics of waiting line system, such as the arrival patterns, service rates, queue disciplines, and performance measures. I have also learned how to apply different queuing models to analyze and compare the waiting line system of different fast food outlets. I also learned how to use data collections methods such as observation, survey, and simulations to obtain the relevant information for the analysis. I have also learned how to interpret the results and make recommendations for improving the waiting line system. My major finding from the project are as follows. KFC has the highest average arrival rate, service rate, and system utilizations among the 3 outlets. It also has the longest average waiting time and queue length in the system. KFC uses a single-serve, single-line system with first-in, first-out queue disciplines. For the Burger King has the second highest average rate, service rate, and system utilizations among the 3 outlets. It also has a shortest average waiting time queue length in the system with the first come, first serve. For the Mary Brown has a moderate average arrival rate, service rate, and system utilizations among the 3 outlets. It also has a moderate average waiting time, queue length in the system waiting. Mary Brown uses a multiple serve, multiple line system with the priority queue disciplines. So, based on the performance measures such as the average waiting time, queue length, and system utilizations, KFC has the most inefficient waiting line system, followed by Burger King and the Mary Brown. Mary Brown has the most efficient waiting line system among the 3 outlets. The project challenged my understanding of the selected business outlets waiting line system by requiring me to apply the theoretical concepts and model to real-world situations. The project also challenged me to collect and analyze the data accurately and objectively, and to consider the factors that may affect the waiting line system, such as customer behavior, service variability, and demand fluctuations. The project also challenged me to make realistic and feasible recommendations for improving the waiting line system, such as increasing the service capacity, reducing the service variability, and managing the customer expectations.
Hello, my name is FARRELOWEN FREDY TUDAS, and today I will talk about what I've learned in this project. This task taught me that the waiting line method is important to these 3 stores. People need to wait in line whether they need to pay their bills, wait their turn, or place an order. From 3 locations, I learned that KFC at Labuan takes the longest to deliver order because they have more of them than Mary Brown and Burger King. Though KFC has a lot of customers, there aren't any lines at the bar. From what I can tell, KFC is faster at taking orders than the other place. There are good and bad things about each of these 3 outlets. One of the most important things I learned from the project is that waiting in line is important for making the customer's experience better. System for managing the waiting line can help cut down on wait times and make customers happier. Using virtual queues and other similar tools can help people wait less and have a better experience overall. Besides that, it also made employees more productive. People who work in places with long lines may not be able to focus on helping customers because they have to handle the line as well. Waiting line management tools can help speed up this process and make exchanges between workers and customers more useful. For this project, our group also learns how to work together. Our group leader makes sure we do our part on time every time. In the Google form, we also make sure to write down all the important information that is asked for. We also talk to each other well when we share information, and all do well because of it. For us, there are few things that make it hard to understand our chosen job, like the different kinds of outlets. These 3 stores are not in the same building or area. KFC was chosen for this project because it is in Labuan. Meanwhile, Mary Brown and Burger King are both in Sabah. It may have taken a while to finish our job. Also, each of us goes to spots separately. So we should make sure that all the data is gathered. Also, because we each have our own part to play in the group task, we need to be very patient because it takes time to gather information and turn it into an account. Finally, this project taught me how important it is to work with others and use a waiting line system.
Hello, my name is RAFIZAN bin Yusuf. My matrix number is BG221100287. Today I'm going to talk about what I have understand and what I have learned from the waiting line system. A waiting line system, also called a queuing system, is defined by 2 important elements: the population source of its customer and the process or service system. It involves a population source, an arrival process, a waiting area, and a service area or channel. The queue management deals with cases where the customer arrival is random and the service rendered to them is also random. The number of customer will be unpredictable. What I have learned from the waiting line system, the fast food that I go is Mary Brown. And the moment I go in the outlet, there are 4 people ahead of me waiting in the line. The waiting in the line is crucial when we want to get stuff or food we want. For example, in the Mary Brown outlet, there was 2 cashiers for me to get an order. Because there are 4 people ahead of me, this makes waiting in lines take a little bit of time for me to make an order. In waiting line system, the more place for customer to wait in line, the more satisfied the customer because the little time they take to make an order. The major finding that we found when doing this group project, the first one, the more efficient outlet waiting in line system, the more attracted the customer to the outlet, because the customer will take less time to make an order and less time to wait in the line to make the order and get the food they want. Not only that, we found out the Burger King, KFC, and Mary Brown have different efficiency in waiting in line system, even though the 3 of them are fast food outlets. The challenges that we face when doing this group project in order to understanding the waiting in line system is that we must take note about every single detail about the waiting in line system at the outlets that we go. We must pay attention to the customer that might come in, how long the order is going to take, how long we wait in line, how much people in the outlets, and many more. When doing the group project, at the outlets that we go, we must have no distraction at all. So the data and the detail we can get from the waiting inline system is very good and specific. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is DANISH bin ANISWANDY. My metric number is BG22110354, and I'm going to talk about the waiting line system and the big findings of our research and the challenges. So, a waiting line system is also called a queuing system, deals with the study of lines or queues where people or things wait for service. It is common in places like banks or hospital or such as an restaurant. The system includes how people arrive, the service process, rules of serving, and the maximum capacity. The goal is to manage queues efficiently to minimize wait times and keep customers satisfied. So, based on our research on the 24th December 2023, me and one of my group member, which is RAFIZAN, went to do research at the Mary Brown at Bandar Labuan. That is the outlet that we chose, while my other group member picked the same outlet theme, which is fast food outlet, that were KFC and Burger King. When we arrived, there were already 15 customers inside the outlet, and there were 4 customers waiting in the line. So, based on what we see and research, there were 2 servers, 2 cashiers, and 4 waitresses, and no kiosks. It took us only around 10 minutes for our order to be served. So, the big finding that I learned from the research is the queue length, and wait time relationship. There is a one key finding relationship between the length of a queue and average wait time. It is understanding this relationship helps in optimizing resources and improving customer satisfaction. And the only challenges during the project is lack of communication and update. So, in summary of my understanding, queuing theory has yielded insights crucial for efficiently managing waiting line system. Businesses can benefit by balancing resource use, understanding economic impacts, selecting appropriate queue disciplines, addressing customer behaviors, managing service reliability, optimizing system parameters, and using simulation tools for decision making. As technology and customer expectation evolve, the principle remain essential for creating dynamic, customer-centric, and cost-effective waiting line system. Thank you.